Kamusta guys? You're watching the News Listener by Angelo. Okay, magandang balita ito. Isa sa mga DDS senators or senators na hindi bumoto para i-condemn itong Chinese embassy ay papalitan na bilang chair ng Committee on Foreign Relations. Okay? Walang iba kung hindi si Amy Marcos. Okay, so galing dito sa Newswatch, nakalagay dito, okay, na si Amy Marcos ay papalitan ni Erwin Tulfo as the chairperson of the Foreign Relations Committee. Ayon yan kay Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson. Okay, ang sabi niya, as far as I know, Majority Leader Senator Miggs has already informed her the chairmanship change may take place next week. Okay, sabi niya, early Senate President Tito Soto said Marcos' removal as foreign relations chairperson was under considerations. While no official reason was given, Marcos did not sign the proposed resolution condemning the Chinese embassy's public statement against officials. Ito yung comment ko sa sabi na walang official reasons na bakit tinanggal siya. I think one of the reasons, okay, noong nag-file itong si Amy Marcos ng isang resolution din, okay? Kung natatandaan nyo guys, si Senator Kiko Pangilinan, nag-file siya ng resolution, Senate resolution, condemning Chinese embassy harassing Philippine officials. Okay? At dinipensahan ng mahigit 6 o yung I think most of the minority senators. Dinipensahan niya. Imagine niyo ginagago tayo ng Chinese embassy. Nagpapalaganap siya ng fake news. Tapos dinipensahan pa ng mga Pilipinong senators. Kaya nga ang tawag sa kanila ngayon, senators. Galing sa China, kumbaga. Okay? Tapos, okay, now, ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung resolution. Yan. So, yung resolution happened January 28. Ito ngayon, today is January 29. Okay? By the way, itong video na to, may kita nyo to bukas, January 30. Okay? So, nagpalabas si Amy ng resolution. Anong yung resolution niya? So, pumunta tayo sa baba, galing sa Inquirer. So, sabi dito, a Senate resolution calling on public officials to refrain from exhorting intemperate language and public sparing on matters involving foreign affairs has been filed in the Senate. Okay, ito si Amy Marcos, isa sa mga matatalinong senador, okay? Na hindi na senador siguro ng Pilipinas tong hinayupak nito. Sabi dito, President Senator Amy Marcos. Actually hindi na pala siya sa sister ni Bongbong Marcos. Duterte na to. Sa na siya dapat? Senator Amy Duterte na. So meron siyang resolution number 267 specifically called Sobriety, Professionalism, and Discipline in Public Communication amid escalation exchanges between Philippines and Chinese officials. So sa kanyang resolution, kumbaga, dapat daw yung mga Pilipino na public officials dapat professional daw, dapat hindi daw makipag-away, disiplinado daw. Ang problema natin, sino ba talaga yung nag-umpisa ng pangbabastos? Mga hindi tama, hindi naaayon sa isang diplomatic or diplomats na kagaya ng mga Chinese embassy. Sino ba talaga nag-umpisa? Di ba sila? Hindi yung Pilipino.
Hi, good morning.
Okay? So, clearly, itong ginawa ni Amy Marcos na resolution, hindi to para sa Pilipino. Para to sa Chinese Embassy na mas dinidepensahan niya pa clearly itong Chinese Embassy kaysa sa mga Pilipino. Kumbaga, wag na kayong makisawsaw, wag na kayong makipag-away. Pero kahit pumunta ka doon sa Chinese Embassy ng Pilipinas, kitang-kita mo talaga na bastos yung writings na ginagawa nila. 'Di ba? Hindi yung daanin na lang sa DFA at makipag-pulong pero pang-troll yung ginagamit nila. Okay? Sabi ni Marcos dito, ni Amy Duterte. Marcos likewise warned that reckless rhetoric could undermine diplomatic efforts and harm countries' international standing. Actually po, hindi po ma-harm ang ating international standing. Kasi wala naman tayong ginagawang masama. Okay? At when it comes to standing between Philippines and Chinese government, tayo yung binabastos sa West Philippine Sea. Tapos, sasabihin niya pang ganitong klaseng statement. Di ba? Punta tayo sa baba. I do not seek to silence debate, suppression patriotism, or diminish the right of officials to defend Philippines' sovereignty. So, actually, ganun pa rin eh. She rather wants us na maging professional. Hindi daw maging bastos. Actually, hindi naman tayo bastos entirely. Sila ang bastos. Okay? So, if they're going to use yung pagiging democratic, pananalita, that's the way that we need to do it. Diba? Okay. Tapos punta tayo sa baba. But reckless statements and intermittent rhetoric can have a real consequence on bilateral relations. Our ability to protect the national interests, particularly sensitive areas such as the marine domain. In terms of marine domain, clearly nanalo po tayo. Okay? Wala na tayong dapat problema dyan. Kaso nga lang, hindi po tayo ang nag-uumpisa para ma-harm yung relasyon between two countries. Sila ho ang gumagawa nun. Okay? And then, Marcos then proceeded, pointed out the DFA, or yan, nakikita niyo yan, itself already conveyed its serious concerns to the Chinese embassy over escalation of public exchanges and reiterated that while debate on national position is inevitable, there is a need for sober, professional, and respect exchanges. Kaso nga lang, sila nga yun nanguunang ng babastos. So, hindi sila professional, hindi sila karespeto-respeto. Yan, dapat nasa ulo yan ni Amy Duterte. Okay, the DFA further warned that lack of circumspection in language and actions may derail diplomatic space needed to manage tension in the marine domain, undermine ongoing efforts to stabilize bilateral relations. Actually, in terms of West Philippine Sea, dapat alam naman ng lahat ng Pilipino na since nanalo na tayo, dapat irespeto ng China yung award na yon. Okay? Kaso nga lang, kahit anong mangyari, nagpapalabas sila ng fake news. Okay? And in terms of circumspection, guys, we're in a democratic country. Okay? Mabuti nga hindi na binanatan tong mga Chinese embassy na hindi ba professional. Kung magiging professional sila, the response will be the same. Diba? Okay, there is a need to de-escalate worsening public exchanges between officials from both sides in order to preserve diplomatic space, ensure the coherent, effective conduct of Philippine foreign relations. Okay, so just to end this, okay, medyo mahaba to guys. In my opinion, yan, clearly itong kanyang resolution ay to defend. It's not to help the public, okay? Ating interest sa in terms of diplomatic exchanges. Clearly, itong si Amy, paggawa niyang resolution, mas dinidepensahan niya pa yung yung China kaysa sa suportahan sana yung ating public officials. Okay? Nakikita niyo naman doon sa senators. Okay? Mga senador ng China na dito sa Pilipinas ay mas dinidepensahan nila. Kaya, in my opinion, mabuti na ngang tanggalin itong si Amy Marcos as a Foreign Relations Committee. Remember, yung dinakip, sinurrender si Dugong, anong ginawa niya bilang Foreign Relations Committee Chair? Nagtawag siya ng hearing kasi yung Senado nasa kanila, yung mga DDS senators. So, anong ginawa niya? Inirekomenda niya ang kasuhan yung mga officials na ginawa lang talaga yung kanilang tungkulin. Nasa batas po yun. Okay? Ang ginagawa ng mga DDS senators, okay, is para iling lang yung mga tao sa tunay talaga na gawain doon sa pag-surrender kay Duterte. Okay? Hindi niya nga ginamit ng correctly. Nakipagtanong lang at ang ginawa nila, parang kumbaga pinahiya lang yung mga opisyalis ng Pilipinas doon sa Senado ng committee niya noong panahon na yon. So, mabuti na tong sampal sa mukha niya na hindi na siya Foreign Relations Committee Chair. Okay? Ano sa tingin niyo guys? Kung meron po kayong komento, suggestion sa ating video, paki-comment po sa ating comment section. If nagustuhan niyo po ito, please hit that like and subscribe button. Salamat po, and I'll see you sa susunod na video.